mean everybody in the yard are get it? Like everybody in the yard? Jesus Christ.
Boy, dog ain't easy, you know, and the dog a fret for in life. The dog say, everybody will get it. Yes, sir. When them man a pull up in your yard, brother, everybody will get it. Them man don't care. Them man no business. So, that's why we have dog our yard, Brownie, or Rex. So you can bite them when they comfy get we. You see me I say, that's your purpose, Rex. So we are fret about Rex. Here I am talking about dog. What? Anyways, it's a dog video tonight again. They funny. Don't tell the truth. Before we watch the next one, just like the video for me and share it. Cause by liking the video, yeah, help me grow the channel. Cause YouTube a fight the thing, but we a fight back.
When my friends them see police and start sing, my dog start sell white now, lock off the stove. Which dog?
Rex a coward, you know. Rex coming like them dogs there, where you have a yard. When people are pass, then bark, then go on bad. But if somebody come in your yard or shout at them, they run gone out of the house. Like, okay, dog, you're there to protect and serve. What to you? Rex said, which dog? Rex is not a bad dog. Rex is just bad with him mouth.
Where you push me down for a lady? Are you alone want chicken for them? Face big like a one. Get the boss. You got the cash and me know my face look mash up, but my belly deserve better. Me say people are cuss bad would bout how dog get served before them, but who reach early? Me! Yeah, my brethren are going to mash up them chicken, yeah? From war to wings, you see it?
KFC, nobody does it better. Well, Jamaican KFC, nobody does it better. May I tell you, if you have KFC overseas, I've never had but KFC overseas tastes like, again, I've never had dog reach early, join the line, having money, buying food, and eat it with your Rasta friend.
Me fi guard yard, play with picnic, chase all manner of evil, and me nah get pay. Where HR there?
What? Rex upset. Rex, listen to me now. We wouldn't have it our yard if we never want you. Watch it picnic. If you couldn't wash, we don't give you clothes to wash too. But really and truly, most Jamaicans have dog at their yard. Not because we want to feed them, but we want them as protection. Talk it truth. If somebody come to our yard, we want your back. So we draw the last or draw the whatever else we have to protect ourselves. Yeah. I truth. And yeah, we don't want nobody come thief with stuff. Back in the days, we used to worry about stealing. People come thief a zinc or thief your clothes off a line. No, people are coming here and convict you. Talk it truth. So we need, Rex, we need 10 of you. Run here again, Rex, I say. What am I complaining about again?
Me fi guard yard, play with picnic, chase all manner of evil, and me nah get pay. Where HR there?
Rex, I'll dope you want to chase. Anyways, on to the next one. You like the video yet? Come on, man. Like the video for your boy, man. Alright, see you next one.
Me tired of canned meal, brother. Me eat it so till me bind up. And me not talk about no prayer in a Jesus name. Me belly jam like old gate.
This a dog, yeah. This a dog, yeah. Hey, if dog couldn't talk, you know, me swear say some of them things that dog couldn't say, you know. You always hear, mix look a ton call me, Rex. Huh? Why can't I mix look a chicken give me? Well, I'm to curry chicken we are cook right now. Some of that one. I don't want no, some of that Rex one. Rex no want no ton corn meal. What? And you not even add milk in it, you just add sugar and water. That's not nice. You treat the dog with a little more respect. If you want the dog get the yard and look about baby and rake your yard and wash your clothes and the dishes. And get the friend dopey. And gunman and thief. Give dog chicken. KFC chicken the dog one. See you last one of the night.
From a party get the new food link over Mr. Lee. I can't hear from him. Over where?
Let's run it again.
From a party get the new food link over Mr. Lee. I can't hear from him. Over where?
Brother, a Blackie, the dog the name Blackie. For the dog Black, a Blackie name. This is crazy, us Jamaicans. So, Blackie, if you don't know what I'm to your party, that just dead. Mr. Chin turn that not show me. Special show me. Or special low me. Yeah man, a food that man. So, you better never go over there. Go food link. The dog they always at the back of the Chinese store them or restaurants I eat Chinese throaty food and the dog them a name. But if you are pre 5 dog did it at the beginning and by the end of the month a 4. Then 2 months later a 3. You ever think about it? Anyways, me not accuse the Chinese them or nothing. If you like the video for me. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, share it with 2 persons in your contact, please. 3, thanks. And leave a comment in the comment section. Let's talk down in the comment section. Other than that, stay safe. God bless.